I'm Chicken Natural Remedies. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys how to use green pepper to lose belly fat permanently. This thing works, guys. Just keep on watching. I'm gonna show you guys how to prepare for more effective, for more result, for better results. You know what I'm trying to say. So without wasting much of your time, but if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends, and no one, just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of time, let's just get into the video.
Once again.
Guys, this green pepper I'm going to use for this recipe, so I'm using 1 2 3 4 5, I'm using 6 of it for this. So I'll start by cutting them off. I'm gonna remove the seed. I don't want the seed. I'll just cut it and put it inside a bowl straight. I'm going to go ahead and leave the seed, but I don't want it. I'll just cut it and add it straight to the bowl. So I'll remove the seed. I'll start by cutting all. I'll just add it straight to the bowl. Everything straight to the bowl. So guys, the next thing we need here is our cucumber. So I'm gonna cut it and add it straight to the bowl. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. You just cut it and add it straight. Guys, this is gonna make you to pull everything out. So this I'm gonna add is ginger. I'll just peel out the back of the ginger. You can go ahead and use green bell pepper. If you don't have this, but I prefer this, but if you cannot carry this, please use your ordinary, the other of the pepper, this green bell pepper. So I'll just cut it and add all these things so it will not be too hot for you. You can go as well and skip all. Trust me guys, I'm gonna put everything out and I'll add it straight to the bowl. So the next we're going to use here is our lemon. Cut it and add it straight to the bowl. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So I'm gonna add it straight to the bowl. So the next thing I'm gonna add here is celery stalk. I'm just gonna add only 2. Only 2 stalks. Please, if you cannot carry this, you can go ahead and use other pepper. I'll just add it straight to the bowl. So I'm gonna add 3 cups of water. Okay. Then I'll add my celery stalk, cucumber, ginger, and green pepper. So I'll cover to blend. So this is it. Then I'm gonna sieve it with my strainer. Please watch the end of the video because there's one more thing I'm gonna add to it again, and I will tell you guys how to use it for better results. Just want to keep it shape. Remove that stubborn fat. This is just exactly what you need. So this is it, guys. I'll just remove the phone. Guys, this thing works so well. Just go and give it a try. If you just want to remove that belly fat just to keep in shape, this is exactly what you need. This is exactly what you need. Just keep on watching. I'm gonna add one more thing, and I'm going to tell you guys how to use it for better results. Just keep on watching. Please, if you have not subscribed, yes, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So this is it, guys. The next thing I'm gonna add to this is optional. If you want to add it, if you want, you can skip it. I'm gonna add my apple cider vinegar. I'll just add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It's optional, guys. You can skip, you can add, okay? I'll just turn it very well. And I'll just add it straight to my cup. So if you want to reduce weight and keep in shape, this is what you need to just keep in shape. You will drink this in the morning. If you want to get maximum results, drink it twice a day. Drink it in the morning and drink it when you want to go to bed. That is the last thing you will drink before going to bed. If you just drink this thing consistently for 5 days, you're gonna see a drastic result. It will just reduce that tummy. It will just reduce that big arm, fat arm, and just keep you in shape. It works. Go and try it and come back to comment section below to give me your feedback. So here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.